I want to present you the results of our development of the new thermoplastic elastomers for medical applications. First, I'm going to give you an introduction on what the thermoplastic elastomers are, and then I will go to introduce the development work related to the medical device applications, including the market trend, material requirements, and then the target segments and applications, and then our principles for TPE products. And then I will briefly discuss the medical TPE portfolio we have developed over the years. And then we will introduce you the surface package and approvals of our innovative TPEs. And then I will give you some examples of our materials versus conventional TPE for different applications. And then I will give you some quick facts about the company. A lot of us are very familiar with TPE. Thermoplastic elastomers are materials that can be processed as the conventional plastics, like a PP, polyethylene, styrene, ABS, PC ABS, and they can function as in normal elastomers or rubbers. And compared to conventional rubbers, TPEs have very distinct advantages, including there's no chemical reactions and there's no requirement for curing process. In other words, the materials are usually extremely pure with no chemical reaction, residues or fragments, and also offer very good design flexibility for various parts and devices. And also compared to conventional curing process, TPE can greatly enhance the line speed with the low energy consumption and also with much more improved product quality. Finally, TPEs are also environmentally friendly. The materials can be 100% recycled, so any parts, any scraps can be recycled for further applications. Here is a family tree of TPEs based on the composition of the materials. From the block copolymer side, based on the nylon or polyester, styrene, polyurethane, we can have TPE-A, TPE-E, TPE-S, or TPE-U, or some people just call TPA, TPE, TPS, or TPU. That's a common terminology. From the elastomer blend side, we can have polyolefin or vulcanized poly TPE, including the EPDM PP system or vulcanized silicone systems. The trend for the medical device market, TPEs have been more and more widely used for different applications in medical and pharmaceutical areas, especially where the clean materials are required. And they offer excellent alternative to silicones or medical PVC, isoprene rubber, butyl rubbers, and chloro rubbers. And they can be processed in the 2K injection molding process, and they are very simple and efficient processing for the manufacturers. And also, especially, we have demand for alternatives that have no hazardous ingredients, including the heavy metals or the latex or any other fragments or derivatives from the reaction residue. And the requirements for TPE for medical devices, they have to be clean with minimum impurities and extractables. That's a very straightforward requirement. They have to be biocompatible because those materials are usually getting direct contact with skin or with the body parts. They have to be non-toxic And in many cases, they are also have to have excellent chemical resistance. And also they should be inert to certain chemicals, because in the market, in the application, a lot of times they get into the sterilization by different methods, including the steam autoclave, or the ETO sterilization, or the irradiation, electron beam irradiation sterilization. Usually people are looking for the softness of the ETPE at room temperature, at surface temperature. We want the material to be durable and stable. And also, like I said, in many cases, they have to be clear and easy to color, so that they can be pre-colored for the parts. For the manufacturers, easily processable is also a unique feature that's desired for different applications, including the extrusion, injection molding. And also, in many cases, people want to do the 2K injection molding. They are looking for materials with excellent adhesion on different substrates, thermoplastics, including the PPE or PCABS and other polymers. Okay, for medical device segments, usually new TPEs were developed for applications that require indirect blood contact due to the limitation of the materials. And also, the materials have to be able to use in contact with pharmaceutical mediums, including different IV liquids or other body fluid or the blood circuit. And TPE will also mitigate the risk associated with extractables and leachable heavy metals. Typically, we can see those in silicone rubbers. TPE can also offer improved barrier properties that can use for like IV bags and other related applications. Finally, people are looking for materials to replace PVC due to the halogen, chlorine, or other halogen materials in the compound. There are some target medical applications, including the soft touch overmolds, resealing membranes, or medical packaging barrier applications. And like I said, again, PVC replacement. Here are some examples of the TPE that can be used for resealing purpose, or for the IV bag, for the plunger in the syringes, or the caps for different medical containers. Again, a few more different applications from TPE materials. Now I want to describe the principles we follow for our medical TPE development work. Basically, we have defined the medical device market as a new strategic area for us to invest and for us to innovate new products. And we want to become the leader in innovation and authority of the medical and the pharmaceutical market for TPE based on Styrenic block copolymers. And we want to maximize our product offering with great safety, quality, and reliabilities. And also, we want to offer the customers with the unique new medical service package as part of the offering we have. And this chart summarizes the products we have developed, new TPE materials we developed for various applications. We have a number of series based on the intended market. The first market is the general purpose medical technology market. The second series are for the resealing applications. Here we have the high elastic materials. This series is intended for co-injection molding for overmolding application. adhesion to PC, ABS type of engineering plastics. We also have low friction materials, high density materials. We are under development for the barrier property TPEs. Looking at the general purpose material, we can see that all the materials are sterilizable. We did strict testing on steam sterilization, did gamma radiation, and also ETO. All the materials in different series all pass all those sterilization tests. Secondly, all these materials are already available for sampling and for commercial production from our customers. And then we also have ongoing development for the barrier properties in this series. Because the TPE, one desirable feature is the softness, so we offer a wide range of durometer for the materials. In the general medical series, we have durometer from 30 to 90 short A. In different series, we have different durometer range tailored for different applications. For example, for the overmolding soft TPE, we offer from 30 to 70 short A material. For the low friction, similar to the general purpose. And then for the resealing material, we have 35 and 45 short A grades. And we conducted a strict medical approval tests. We have tested all the materials according to different medical standards, including the ISO 10993-5, 1011, and we tested according to the USP Class 6 and USP Class 661. All the materials are listed in the drug master file so that the customers can be comfortable using the materials for different applications. And also we conducted extractable study for our resealing TPE grades. Finally, there are some highlights for the materials. For the medical grade, we have excellent compression set. For the resealing purpose, they have very good resealing behavior from the testing. And then this series, the characteristic is a high elasticity. And also, for the high density material, we have optimized the cycle time for the materials in the manufacturing. Another excellent feature is that all the materials, like I said, have been deposited in the drug master file so that they can be used for various medical applications. And then we have conducted extractables for resealable compounds so that they can be used for application with contact to a pharmaceutical medium. Another very important feature is that we guarantee 2-year service deliveries. That basically, we have no change for the formulation or process unless we have necessary adjustment due to new regulations. And in that event, we will inform our customers at least 24 months ahead of time, just in case the customer, that the suppliers inform us due to the material supply. We will give at least 24 months ahead of time notice to our customers. Here are some examples of the medical approvals we conducted for different grades. This is a 30 short A material for general purpose medical application. We have conducted 10993-5 testing. And in this case, this is a 50 short A for overmolding application. and we conducted a USP Class 6 test. This is a test report from our test lab. And this is a test report for the USP 666. Now I want to get into a brief discussion on the advantages of the materials we develop in the brand name of Thermoplastic M in comparison with the medical rubber and EPDM PP-based materials. First of all, our material offers the possibility of processing in the 2K injection molding. Like I introduced, we have the injection molding grades for overmold to PC ABS or ABS PC blend. Also, our materials are physical blend compounds of polymer system. Therefore, there's no cross-linking reaction going on in our compounding process. And all the materials are generally translucent, or in some cases they have a transparent material. And also the materials in the production process, we are complying with the clean room processing standards, and we have a dedicated production line isolated from any other material production, so that they can be handled without any cross-contamination in terms of raw materials, in terms of the finished compounds. And another feature is no post-processing is needed by using our TPE materials. In other words, they offer time saving, they offer cost saving, and also they offer optimal cleanness of the materials. Compared to the medical silicone, the advantage is obviously optimal reliability due to our 2-year service package. We offer a 2-year guarantee of the materials. That's a very unique feature. Again, it offers low-cost materials compared to silicones. There's no chemical reaction, low energy consumption, high line speed. Also, our material in terms of density, the material typically is about 0.89 gram per cubic centimeter to roughly 1 versus a higher density for the silicone materials, 1.2, 1.5, even higher density. So for the unit cavity, you use much less mass of the materials by using the TPE materials versus silicone. Here, obviously, no chemical cross-linking, so that the material have optimal purity as compared to the silicone materials. And also, it's possible to do the 2-shot processing, so the recycle time is much shorter, and the demand for the tooling and the machines are also much easier to have than the curing and the processing of the silicones. Here's some data on the sterilization of the TPE we developed for medical applications. In this case, this is a 70 short A material for general purpose application. This is gamma sterilization data. Compared to the control material, we irradiate at one time at 25K, 35K, or twice at 25, or twice at 35. And we monitor the tear resistance of the material, and we can see only minimum drop at different dosage of the gamma sterilization. Here is the color change due to the gamma sterilization. I apologize, that may not be easily seen under the light, but if you compare the control versus the different dosage of the gamma irradiation, and we can see that the yellowing it's pretty light as versus the original control material. In other words, the materials are very stable as I showed you in the previous slide, the mechanical strengths are kept very well. And in this case, the coloring is also very acceptable to the applications. This chart shows the steam sterilization of the medical grade material. We conducted autoclave at 121 degrees C, 134 degrees C, or twice at 121 or twice at 134 degrees C. Again, the drop in tensile strength, in this case mechanical strength drop is also minimum, from about 16 or 15.5 to about a little bit over 13. So the drop is also acceptable for different applications. So here, again, the summary. All the materials can comfortably go through the gamma radiation or the steam or ETO. Here is the adhesion result on the overmolding grade. In this case, our TPE is overmolded to the high-density polyethylene. And what we did was use the conventional Reno test to overmold the TPE onto the high-density PE, and then we pour from this at a 90-degree angle, and we measure the force required to separate the materials. And we can see they reach roughly about the 15 Newton per millimeter level to be able to separate the TPE from thermoplast. In lots of cases, the overmold results in the cohesive failure, which means that the adhesion bonding is stronger than the material itself. So basically, they can be excellent overmolding. Here shows the summary of the adhesion of the materials to different thermoplastics. Conventionally, they are good for the PP or HDPE material, and then in this series, they can be overmolded to the PC ABS or PC ABS. Finally, a few words about the KRAIBURG TPE. We are the worldwide manufacturer of soft elastic thermoplastic elastomers. Our technologies are based on Styrenic block polymers and other polymer technologies, polymer alloys. And our headquarters is located in Munich, Germany, and we have US headquarters in the suburb of Atlanta. We also have Asian Pacific headquarters in Hong Kong, and we have 3 production sites in all major areas in Europe, in US, and in Malaysia, in Asia. So we can service automotive customers. We can also service industry, consumer, and medical segments for TPE materials. And in 2010, last year, our sale volume is 25,000 metric tons, and we have over 300 employees worldwide. And finally, we stand for speed. We are very quick, react to the customer. We work with the customer. We do custom engineering material development. So we are a very high innovation company and reliable. We offer service, excellent product quality, and flexibility. So we can work with you for your needs, for material needs in TPE area. If you have questions, just let me know, talk to me. Also, you can find a lot of information at our website. Again, thank you so much for your time, for coming, and thank you for your attention. Thank you. So if you have any questions, I can answer. Otherwise, you are welcome to come to our booth. Our booth is located in 3374, right not too far from here. Yes?
I have a question. It might seem pretty simple. Technically, what's the difference between a TPR and a TPE? So I hear both terms. I'm not...
I think TPR stands for rubber.
It's right.
And then TPE is elastomer. Basically, rubber is because they are chemically bonded cross-link. And then lots of TPE, they are usually by physical cross-linking without chemical reaction. Yeah. Thank you. Any other questions? Okay, again, thank you very much.